Medicine is at an inflection point. The most forward-thinking physicians and practitioners today aren't waiting for patients to get sick. They're identifying dysfunction early, optimizing physiology, and helping their patients live longer, healthier lives. If that's the kind of medicine you want to practice, or if you're already practicing it, there is one credential that sets you apart. The AMMG Certification in Essential Knowledge of Age Management and Longevity Medicine. Think about the patients walking through your door. Many of them aren't terribly ill, but they know something isn't right. Energy that isn't what it used to be. Hormones that are out of balance. Metabolic markers creeping in the wrong direction. And yet, within a traditional care model, there is often very little to offer them. The standard approach intervenes too late, addresses symptoms rather than root causes, and leaves both patient and physician feeling like something important is being missed. Your patients deserve better, and quite honestly, so do you. Hormone and metabolic optimization, precision diagnostics, lifestyle medicine, advanced therapeutics. These aren't fringe concepts anymore. They are the frontier of evidence-based care. A growing population is actively seeking physicians who can lead them through this space with confidence and credibility. The demand is real. The science is there. What many practitioners have been missing is a structured, credentialed pathway to bring it all together. That is exactly what AMMG has built. The AMMG Certification in Essential Knowledge of Age Management and Longevity Medicine is the gold standard credential in this field. It earns you up to 45 AMA PRA Category 1 credits and is built around 3 progressive modules, spanning foundational science all the way through to real-world clinical application. You will complete an immediate online study module to build core competency. Attend a 2-day live interactive training with expert faculty and finish with a comprehensive case-focused examination. This is not a quick certification. It is a serious credential designed for serious clinicians. Through this program, you will develop the clinical skills to identify dysfunction years before disease develops. You will learn to implement precision-based hormone and metabolic optimization strategies, integrate nutrition, fitness, and lifestyle medicine into your protocols, and apply preventive frameworks for cardiometabolic and age-related conditions. You will become fluent in advanced diagnostics and emerging therapies, and be equipped to deliver the kind of personalized, high-performance care that patients are actively searching for. The clinical benefits are significant, but so is the professional impact. AMMG Certification positions you as a recognized leader in one of the fastest-growing areas of medicine. It deepens the physician-patient relationship by attracting motivated, health-focused patients who are genuinely invested in their own longevity. You will stay aligned with rapidly evolving science through access to evidence-based protocols and ongoing education. And it fundamentally transforms your practice, shifting the focus from reactive disease management to optimizing human performance and extending health span. Your certification package includes the full 3-module training program, complimentary access to 3 AMMG conferences, a 2-year AMMG membership, your AMMG certification logo for use in branding and marketing, an enhanced listing in the AMMG Certified Physician Directory, and a professional embossed certification. This is a complete professional ecosystem, not simply a piece of paper. If you are ready to lead the next era of medicine, to move beyond managing disease and start optimizing lives, the AMMG certification is your pathway forward. I encourage you to take the next step today. Visit us at www.agemed.org to explore the program, the curriculum, and upcoming certification events. Or reach out to certification specialist James Powell, RN, at jpowell@agemed.org or 702-321-9716. The next era of medicine starts here.